Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the space and immediately inviting collaborators so work can start. Pick a concise name that reflects the goal. Once done, set visibility, public for discovery, private for restricted access, unlisted for controlled sharing, because permissions shape workflow. Next, add a short description and topic tags to improve findability. Make sure to configure member roles: admin, editor, viewer. This prevents accidental edits and speeds onboarding. Now proceed to populate the space with initial content. You now focus on building structure inside the space. Create folders and subpages that mirror your project phases so nothing gets lost. Once organized, apply templates: notes for meeting summaries, Q&A for troubleshooting, datasets or code snippets for reproducibility, because templates enforce consistency. Then upload files and embed links or rich media. Attach images, CSV, or model outputs where relevant. Make sure to add clear headings and a table of contents so collaborators can navigate fast and contribute without confusion. You finish by reviewing permissions and testing editor and viewer access to confirm everyone sees the right content. Once verified, publish a version or export a snapshot as backup. This preserves a stable state before major changes. If you encounter sync delays or permission errors, first refresh the space, then reassign roles or re-invite the user. These steps fix most issues. Finally, document the final workflow in the space so future contributors understand processes and avoid repeated troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.